I am Dr. Muthuraman, orthopedic surgeon of Tenkasi. I am practicing here for the past 25 years. I was the youngest secretary of Tamil Nadu Orthopaedic Association, and I was given the charge of organizing the 59th Annual Conference of Tamil Nadu Orthopaedic Association Conference as an organizing secretary. And that was all how my association with Zoho began. This is the 59th Annual Conference. Usually these conferences are held at metropolitan cities, which has got very big conference venues and everything and all the facilities. But this challenge of conducting the conference, we risked in the year 2010. When we were so young, we organized a similar conference in Muthuraman. That experience gave us the inspiration and impetus to organize the conference in a very bigger way, sharing and catering to the needs, academic and other needs of more than 3,000, 4,000 delegates from not alone Tamil Nadu but international level as well. This needs a very vivid preparation, very dedicated hard work and a preparedness to face all the challenges. To get us inspired, we devised the slogan as never before, never again. Though we conducted in a very smallest part of our Tamil Nadu, we had a very big dream of conducting it in a very bigger way that it is not done before. Though we had an experience of conducting it in 2010, the scenario is totally different. That time we didn't have such an amount of digital support, and in the same way the delegate strength was less than 800 to all the crew in total. Technology nowadays plays a major role in organizing a conference because everything is dependent on technology. Apart from other hospitality aspects. And what difficulties we face in every conference is whenever we go for a conference, we used to stand in a queue for a long time to get ourselves registered. And at the same time, access to the individual scientific sessions was also difficult because the information cannot be shared in an effective manner except for displaying some posters in front of the halls and giving some booklets. We wanted to have everything in their hands, every total information and access to the conference venue, everything we wanted to be a trouble-free and easily available source of information. So we are fortunate to have the reputed Zoho services for our, and luckily it happened that one of the headquarters of Zoho was also in my native place. I came with just my requirements about the conference. This conference was unique in the way, as I said, there should not be any queue for registration. They should have registered their conference even before they come for the conference. And all the conference delegates, the conference kits should have been delivered before the conference. There should be no queue for it. And we added value to this conference by getting an ISO certification. ISO certification this is the first time a conference is getting an ISO certification in Tamil Nadu medical history. So it was a boon to us. Getting that certificate was not a great challenge, but adhering to the standards of the ISO certifications was a major motivating factor for us. So we devised in every aspect of the conference to be the customer friendly and it should be of international standards. I concentrated mainly on the delegates and the digital display and everything. But when I came here, they introduced a new concept to me, including the sponsors, the stakeholders into the conference, like they're booking the conference through online. And once they book the conference online, after paying the sponsors amount, that stall will be blocked and they can pump all their information about their companies into it. That was all new to us. And when I discussed with my team as well, it was a very new concept and we were all very happy about it. Another service is, usually we go to the conference, we sign the visitor's book and we discuss something and come out. After that, we don't remember the stall and those persons will not remember the discussions what we had. Here you give us a QR code. When the QR code was scanned, whatever we discussed in that platform was registered in a digital manner and it was a source of information to both the delegate and the sponsor. So after going to his place, he can recollect what all the inputs the delegates gave us and what all the necessary things the delegates asked for in that stall, so they had access to that particular person after conducting the conference based on his needs. The journey of 1,000 miles just begins with a single step. It was a great challenge, and when I said it's a plastic-free conference, everybody was totally against that, not because that they don't want to get done plastic-free, but they thought it was not possible at all. My intention was, we are taking up a great challenge. It's not necessary that we do it in 100%. At least when we cross 60%, we are doing a great service to Mother Nature. I repeatedly kept on insisting this, and everybody finally accepted for the plastic-free conference. And it was a very great challenge. And the thought that we want to get plastic-free conference was conveyed to the delegates by periodic digital sharing of our videos, digital sharing of our ideas by Zoho team through all delegates. In that way, Zoho was very helpful to us in achieving our goal of conducting in a plastic-free. At the end, you won't believe, we had a satisfaction of getting it executed 100%. Not even a single paper, not even a chocolate was kept in with the plastic foils. And I must thank all the delegates and the sponsors. The sponsors usually stud their stalls with all plastic gifts and plastic everything. And when he had conducted a meeting, they came with, shall I keep this, whether it is permitted. They avoided all the plastic things in their conference, not even bags. All the flex were done in cloths, not in vinyl banners. So there was not even a plastic smell in our conference. And I am very proud that I have executed that plastic-free conference in the smallest town. And I thank every person, particularly Zoho, for effectively carrying out my ideas to all the delegates and the sponsors. In that way, Zoho was very helpful for me. We have all the members of the Tamil Nadu Orthopaedic Conference, and at the same time we have international delegates and national delegates. And in this conference, what we do is we share all our experiences in orthopedics. We will have important lectures from the legends in orthopedics, and at the same time young orthopedic surgeons, they will have a platform to exhibit whatever small work they have done and get it fine-tuned by legends of orthopedics. In a way, it is a learning experience. The main agenda of the conference is this conference is conducted for 3 days, and in this conference we had more than 1,000 papers of scientific paper presentations in 8 individual halls. And I would like to emphasize that this part of organizing the scientific presentations was also helped in a great way by Zoho team, because previously we used to send all our scientific material through post or some email, and the reviewer has to review all the papers and submit. It was a very difficult job for their conference organizers, but this time it was made easy by the digital support of Zoho. Almost all the papers were collected and segregated. We have around 8-10 different topics, categories of paper presentations. Every paper was given an individual identity number, and the delegate was also able to follow the status of his paper, whether it is accepted, in which platform his paper is accepted, and everything was a child's play with the help of Zoho. 2 days before the conference, and the Zoho team came there for assessing the ground situation, and that area didn't have proper internet connection. The whole conference was planned on that digital platform with all the internet support. I didn't think about that at all. Organizing that location, the hotel management told that we have a separate net coverage, so it will not be a problem. I didn't check it at all. That was a very great experience, and you couldn't imagine the feelings I had when I went there and they said that digital technology was not available there. So that also was faced so effectively by Zoho team, and that gave me confidence that this will get it done in a great manner. And the Zoho team came for they were there from registration areas to the dining area, scientific sessions, everything, and it was done in a hitchless manner. Definitely a lot of organizers will knock your doors, I'm pretty sure, because everybody was amazed by the services provided by Zoho. Everybody was asking about how did you get access to the Zoho team, and how did you able to carry out this work in a so effective manner. Everybody was very happy about it. It is a conference never before, never again. Our dream was executed, and I am very confident that it will take another 10 years to overcome this standard of conference. That was one thing. Another thing is, as I said, it's a plastic-free conference, and for every delegate we have planted a tree in Kutralam. So more than 1,500 trees we have planted for this, and we have included the physically challenged persons in administering the events. We have given job opportunities to the physically challenged persons in this. I thank all those people who are behind the success of the conference, and to the SOHO team, I came as a customer, I am leaving as a friend.